Don't eat it like that.
Oh man, this Keto Steve guy is hilarious,
Much more
bro.
serious note, this is keto.
It's a party in the USA.
Hey, bro.
Hey man, what's going on?
I'm watching the YouTube, broski.
That's dope. Wait, what are you eating?
Oh, this right here? It's a block of cream cheese. I finally decided to go keto.
Well, congrats, man, but I think you're doing it wrong.
No way, Jose. I read on the line, you gotta eat lots of fats.
Right. Well, listen, brosif. If you're gonna do keto, maybe I should show you how to do it right.
First, you have to clean out your pantry.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Such a drama queen. Cook as much food as you can at home. So what do you think, man? I guess it looks okay. Just okay, but why though? Because you didn't even cook it. Whoops, sorry about that, bro. You can even keto out to eat. Welcome to Firebirds. Are you ready to order? Yep, all set. What can I get you? Can I get the bacon cheeseburger, please? All right. And how would you like your burger? Well done, please. Of course. Oh, and can I get that protein style, please? I'm Keto Steve, so, you know. Sure. Another meat patty costs extra, though. Is that okay? Wait, what? No, I would just like a protein style. So you don't want another patty? No, I just want the cheeseburger, but wrapped in lettuce. Oh, so you want the cheeseburger wrap. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna get a salad. Oh boy. What is it? We actually just ran out of lettuce. Okay, bye.